Oh, hello guys, you are welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video, and today we are going to be looking at YEARN, finance or YFI. YFI is currently at the $7,000 level. We are currently ranked at 246 with a market cap of about $235 million. We have a 24-hour volume of about $84 million, and today we are going to be looking at the price action, the technical analysis and price prediction right here for YFI. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So YFI in the last 1 week, we are down 15.4%, and in the last 24 hours, 15.4%. So every single push to the downside probably happened in the last 24 hours right here for YFI. And without further ado, let us push through the charts to see what we are expecting. As you can see, this is following exactly to the T what we expected right here for YFI. We are on the chart right here for YFI versus the USD Theta. We're on the daily time frame, Binance yesterday source. And one of the things we have been looking at right here for YFI basically is we have been saying that we are looking at this sort of symmetrical triangle, and we said 60% of the time this symmetrical triangle breaks to the upside, but usually 40% of the time they break to the downside. And as you can see, we have seen that break to the downside, got exactly into our target of the $6,332 level, but as you can see, the bulls has pushed us back up to $7,000 level, right? So this looks quite okay. We were expecting this push to the downside. We said probably till after the halving, we could just see further more consolidation right here for YFI. As you can see, we are still at that level which we were exactly at that 6,000 level. That was where our bull market EMA happened, and we see that flip to the upside. Since then, we basically have been in this consolidation pattern, right? So this is still looking good right here for YFI, as we could see some sort of consolidation, probably a retest of that 6,000. Then after the halving, we could see some sort of massive pump right here for YFI. But YFI is still looking good, right? Even with the dump, this is still looking very good. We can see some sort of consolidation right into this level, and then a push to the upside, right? So basically, that is it for YFI. We could still see a trickle down to retest that $6,000 level, and then a push to the upside right here for YFI, probably after the halving, right? So the halving could be a very, very massive event for YFI. Pushing us to the top right here for YFI. So basically, that's the update right here on YFI. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed